Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to help you with a common issue you might encounter when installing WordPress. The dreaded installation already exists. This typically happens if there's a previous WordPress installation or remnants of one. By the end of this video, you'll know how to fix this issue and successfully log in to your WordPress dashboard. First, let's understand what this error means. The installation already exists message typically appears when WordPress files or a previous installation is detected in the directory where you're trying to install WordPress. This can happen if a previous installation attempt was interrupted or if WordPress files already exist in the directory. Let's go through the steps to fix it. Click here and go to Installations box. Here, you'll need to delete the old WordPress files. If you find an existing installation that you don't need, you can delete it by clicking on the Remove button. If there are no installations listed, but you're still encountering the error, there might be leftover files from a previous installation. Go back to the Control panel and find the File Manager icon. Now that you've cleared any existing installations, files, and databases, you can proceed with a fresh WordPress installation. Return to WordPress Management for Reinstall WordPress. Click on Install. Fill in the required details such as site name, description, admin username, and password. Then click on the Install button to start the installation process. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the error installation already exists. After the installation is complete, you can log in to your WordPress dashboard. By following admin URL, enter your username and password that already you provided. By following these steps, you ensure that your WordPress installation is clean and fresh, free from any leftover files or data that could cause conflicts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy blogging!